Egypt, Arabic, Mansoro, Mesir, Egyptian Arabic pronunciation, Masr, official the Arab Republic of Egypt, is a country spanning the northern corner of Africa and south corner of Asia via the Sinai Peninsula. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Gaza Strip of Palestine and Israel to the northeast, the Red Sea to the east, Sudan to the south, and Libya to the west, the Gulf of Aqaba in the northeast, separates Egypt from Jordan and Saudi Arabia. Cairo is the capital, large city, and leading cultural center, while Alexandria is the second largest city and an immortal hub of industry and tourism. With over 109 million inhabitants, Egypt is the 3rd most populous country in Africa and 15th most populous in the world. Arab Republic of Egypt, Arabic, Jamawaroyaha, Hasoro, Al-Robiya, Jamhuriyah Mesir Al-Arabia, Flag, Coast of Arms, Anthem, Bildi, Baladai, English, my country, capital, Cairo, in large city, 30
Afrika hingga Laut Mediterania. Saking panjangnya, Sungai Nil melewati 11 negara.
And 31 derajat 13 official languages, Arabic, national language, Egyptian Arabic, religion, religion in Egypt, demons Egyptian, government, unitary semi-presidential republic under another
dan di tempat
authoritarian government. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli, Legislator, Parliament, Upper House, Senate, Lower House, House of Representatives, Establishment, Unification of Upper and Lower Egypt, C. 31 and 50 BC, Fall of Memphis, 343 BC, Arab Conquest, 639 to 642, Ayubi and Mamluk Sultanates, 1171 or 4 to 1517, Alawiyah Dynasty, inaugurated 9 July 1805, independence from United Kingdom, 28 February 1922, Revolution Day, 23 July 1952, Republic declared 18 Juni 1953, current constitution 18 January 2014, area total 1,010,408 km persegi or 390,121 SKMI, 13 in the world. Water 0.632, population 2024 estimated 109,450,000, 15 in the world. 2017 census 94 million 798,827, density 108.32 km persegi or 280.5 SKMI, 99 in the world. GDP PBB 2025 estimated total up to 2,372 trillion US dollar, 17 in the world. Per capita 21,998 US dollar, 87 in the world. GDP nominal 2025 estimated total 347,342 billion US dollar, 41 in the world. Per capita 3,174, 133 in the world. JINA 2019 31.9 medium inequality. HDI 2023 0.754 100 in the world. Currency Egyptian pound, A pound sterling, EGP, time zone UTC, EGP, summer, that's the UTC 3, AAST, Kalingoda 20, ISO 31, 66 code EG, Internet ID EG, Masoro. Igdi as one of the language histories of any country, tracing its heritage along the Nile Delta back to the 6 to 4 millennial BCE, considered a cradle of civilization. Ancient Egypt show some of the early development of printing, agriculture, urbanization, organized religion, and central government. Egypt was an early and important center of Christianity. Later adopting Islam from the 7 countries onward, Cairo became the capital of the Fatimid Caliphate in the 10th century and of the subsequent Mamluk Sultanate in the 13th century. Egypt then became part of the Ottoman Egypt in 1517 until its local ruler Muhammad Ali established modern Egypt as an autonomous caliphate in 1867. The country was then occupied by the British Empire along with Sudan and gained independence in 1922 as a monarchy. Following the 1952 revolution, Egypt declared itself a republic for a brief period between 1968 and 1951. Egypt merged with Syria. Two from the United Arab Republic, Egypt fought several armed conflicts with Israel in 1948, 1956, and 1967 and 1963, and occupied the Gaza Strip intermittently until 1967. In 1978, Egypt signed the Camp David Accord, which recognized Israel in exchange from its withdrawal from the occupied Sinai after the Arab Spring, which led to the 2011 Egyptian revolution and overthrow of Hosni Mubarak. The country faced a protracted period of political unrest. Its first democratic election in 2012 resulted in the short-lived Muslim Brotherhood allied government of Mohamed Morsi, which was overthrown by the military after mass protests in 2013. The central government is a semi-presidential republic led by Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, who was elected in 2014 but is
20 years,
widely regarded as authoritarian. Egypt is a developing country with the second largest economy in Africa. It is considered to be a religion power in the Middle East, North America, and Muslim world, and a middle power, but with Islam is the official religion and Arabic is official language. Egypt is a founding member of the United Nations, the non-aligned movement, the Arab League, the African Union, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, World Youth Forum, and a member of BRICS. Economy. Main article economy of Egypt. GDP per capita 1820 to 2018. GDP per capita adjusted for price change over time, inflation, and price differences between countries. It is measured in information US dollar in 2011 price. 1820 under 2000 US dollar. 1850 under 2000 US dollar. 1900 under 2000 US dollar. 1950 under 20 US dollar. 2000 4000 US dollar. 2018 Egypt up to 10,000 US dollar. Score Median Project Database 2020 Post and Fund Syndrome 2020 or World Data World Economic Growth GGBI. The economy of Egypt is the second largest in Africa and ranked 41 worldwide of as 20 25 change in per capita GDP of Egypt 1820 to 2018 figures are inflation adjusted to 2011 international dollar. It is a major emerging market economy market by its member in organization like the African Union, Arab League, BRICS, and its participation in the African Continental Free Trade Area (EFCFTA). The Egyptian economy has evolved significantly since the early 2000s, transitioning toward a market-oriented system through fiscal and monetary reform, privatization effort, and foreign investment incentives. The measure has contributed to macroeconomic stability and improved unemployment and poverty rates. Egypt's industrial business is diverse, encompassing chemical production, electronic, mining, steel, automotive manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and textile. The chemical industry is one of Egypt's largest, comprising plastic, rubber, paper, detergent, paint, fertilizer, and glass. Petrochemical alone contribute around 12% of industrial output, valued at approximately $7 billion annually, with project export of $9 billion in 2024. Development, technology investment, and trade agreement in electronic and home appliances. Egypt has positioned itself as a manufacturing hub through initiatives such as Egypt Market Electronic, with many international companies setting up factories in the country, including Electrolux, Samsung, Essential Beko, and Haier. Egypt is Africa's total product ranking 20 global, with 9.8 million tons in 2022 and export tripling to 1.54 million tons in 2023. The Value Electric MCV C127 EV model in Egypt from the German market showcased at Buzzword European 2023. Egypt automotive industry, led by state-owned Al Nasser Automotive Manufacturing Company and private firm like Gabor Group and MCV, has expanded through partnership with global manufacturers, producing a range of passenger and commercial vehicles for both local and export market. The government 2024 to 2030 strategy aimed to increase product to 500,000 vehicles annually, boost export, and establish local electric vehicle manufacturing by 2024, integrating EVs into public transportation and fostering an automotive hub for region and international markets. Egypt's gold mining industry has expanded, driven by untapped reserves and government-led reform aimed at modernizing the sector. The launch of international bid round market saw tons private sector participation, attracting major players such as Aglon Gold, Ashanti, and Alexander Nubia International. The Sukari mine, Egypt's first large-scale modern gold operation, become the centerpiece of the effort, contributing significant to products. The government has since introduced structural reform to increase mining GDP share to 5 to 6% by 2030, including digitalization initiatives and investment friendly policies. The measures have pledged a surge in gold export, reaching $2.17 billion in 2024, nearly double the previous year, with Egypt aiming to rank among the world top 10 gold export by 2027. The central business district in Egypt under contribution new administrative capital. Egypt agricultural Intentional quantities of wine, maize, sugar, fruits, vegetable, further, and rice, yet remain reliant on wine and maize import, primarily from Ukraine and Russia. This is yield impressed since 1970. The development since system from big domestic demand, driven by subsiding and a culinary preference for bread, as well as Egypt limited arable land and its emphasis on high quality import crops. The Aswan Kingdom complete in 1970 significantly import irrigation stable. As of 2010, 3.6 million hectares were cultivated, with the government targeting 4.8 million hectares by 2030. Major initiatives include the new data and test project designed to convert desert area into farmland using advanced irrigation technique, wastewater treatment, groundwater, and water desalination. Effort to deregulate agriculture have improved bridge alignment with global market, but climate change and water scarcity continue to pose long-term challenges. Egypt is among the world's top 5 recipients of remittances, with reaches $23.7 billion in the first 10 months of 2024, along with 79. Egypt has received substantial United States foreign aid averaging $1.5 billion annually, with approximately $200 million allocated to economic assistance and the remainder directed toward military aid for purchasing weapon systems from American suppliers. One of Egypt's most significant economic events in recent years was the currency flotation in 2024, which led to a 38% depreciation of the national currency, the Egyptian pound, after securing over $5 billion in international financing. This action, along with stretch agreement with the IMF, World Bank, EU, and Gulf States, improved Egypt's credit outlook. The government also implemented fiscal measures that raise the tax-to-revenue ratio and accelerate the privatization of state-owned companies. The strengthened public finances as a result. In the final quarter of 2024, private investment in Egypt exceeded public investment for the second consecutive quarter, accounting for more than half of the total investment volume. Private investment rose by 35.4% year-on-year, while public investment declined by 25.7%. This year represents a significant rebalancing of Egypt's economic landscape, marking a notable departure from the dominance of public investment in the country's recent economic history. Tourism. Main article: tourism in Egypt. Tourism riding a camel in front of Pyramid of Khafre, the Giza necropolis, in one of Egypt's main tourism attraction. Now, tourism in one of the most aim to attract 30 million tourism by 2024, with a focus on infrastructure improvement. High-profile projects like the Grand Egyptian Museum and enhancing visitor experience. In 2024, the country's top tourism market included Germany, Russia, and Saudi Arabia. The Giza necropolis is one of Egypt's best known tourism attractions. It is the only one of ancient world still in existence. Egypt, because on the Mediterranean and Red Sea, it extended to over 3,000 kilometers or 1,900 miles. Area also popular tourism destination: the Gulf of Aqaba, beaches Savaga, Sharm el Sheikh, Hurghada, Luxor, Dahab, Rashid, and Marsa Alam. Area popular cities. Energy. Main article: Energy and Egypt, an offshore platform in the Devil gas field. Egypt as deficit energy sector based primarily on coal, oil, natural gas, and hydropower. Coal deposit in northern Syria produce around 500,000 tons or 660,000 short ton annually. Egypt oil product is concentrated in the western desert, the Gulf of Suez, and the Nile Delta, which expect crude oil output reaching approximately 941,000 bbl per day or 149,600 meter cubic per day in 1993, before declining to 630,000 bbl per day or 100,000 meter cubic per day by 2008. This decline transformed Egypt into a net oil import by 2008.
I could immediately smell the aroma of that ghee when it got close to my nose when I took a bite. Oh, it's really good. Oh, the texture is incredible. The yolk remains really creamy and soft, and the outside
Origin,
has that
investment,
snap to it
and
when you bite down.
governmental
Dip the egg in the
prioritization
pool. Oh, now that's a move right there.
9. Around 38% of domestically produced natural gas was allocated for export. However, rising domestic demand led Egypt to prioritize local consumption over export by 2014, significantly reducing gas available for international markets. In 2015, Eni discovered the Zohr gas field, the largest natural gas reservoir.
But they know how to use eggplant. Eggplant is absolutely creamy, absorbs whatever flavor gets put onto it, and just the texture flavor combination is incredible. Okay, this one is an omelet, but with egg, with plastodoma, and some herbs. It's like dill in there as well. The flavor of the dill immediately coming through, and then that saltiness of the plastodoma. Okay, moving on. This one is the Egyptian sugo, which is Egyptian sausage, spiced sausage. And then this one is cooked in the tagine, which is the clay pan with tomato sauce. There's some chickpeas in here, and there's pieces of all the sausage is kind of just like disintegrated into the entire tagine that's been simmered. But you gotta, let's see, there's onions in here, there's peppers. Oh, there's the sugo. There's pool in here too. Oh, okay, that's why it's a pool. Oh, pool with sugo. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's why it's so pasty.
Per day, alongside other significant
That one is
fields such as
that same pool.
Atoll,
3 minutes of the pool, but then
300 million cubic foot per day, and North Damietta wheat product from the Khatamiya
flavor to it.
discovery began in 2020. Egypt is currently constructing
Tomatoes in there as well.
its first nuclear power facility in El Daba nuclear power plant in the northern Sister region, financed by a US dollar 25 billion loan from Russia. Transport. Main article:
And friendly.
Transport in Egypt. Transport in Egypt
And just
is
thrilling for all of your senses
primarily
all at the same time.
concentrated around Cairo, following the Nile River settlement and the country for 1,800 kilometers.
كلنا بنسأل بعض واضحين
إن القوات المسلحة المصرية
Egypt launched $4.5 billion high-speed rail project to Kontan and Sokna, Marsa, Madru, and Alexandria, later expanding to include routes linking Greater Cairo, Luxor,
بحركتها السريعة
operated their lane with a 4-lane under constitution and plan for additional expansion in the future when will 2 monorail lane are also begun, but in the city along with a metro system in Alexandria. Egypt has long undertaken major road infrastructure expansive to the national road project, increasing the total length of main road by near 30% from
التميم
23,500
تقول على مصر
km in 2014 to 13,500
بس الحدود
km in 2024. Alongside construction, a vast of kilometers of road have been upgraded, leading to improvement in Egypt road quality index, which rose from established by Egypt Air, the country's carrier and largest airline, founded in 1932 by Talat Har. Now state-owned Egypt Air operated from in Cairo International Airport with scheduled passenger and cargo service to over 75 destinations across the Middle East, Europe, Africa, Asia, and the American. The airline's current fleet consists of 80 aircraft. The Suez Canal Breaker, Suez Canal, and African sea level waterway connect the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea, enabling direct sailing between Europe and Asia without navigation around Africa. In 2023, it generated a record $9.4 billion in revenue for Egypt. Opened in November 1869, the 193.30 km or 121 per MA canal run from Port Said in the north to Port Taufik in the south, with its Wailia situated 3 km 17 per million west of its midpoint. The channel is 24 meters or 79 feet deep and 105 m or 673 ft video as of 2010, concealing of 22 km 107 per MI main section and 9 km 1 per 2 MI southern access channel. The Pala bypass and the Great Bitter Lake provide the fishing point along the canals, with operated without lock, allowing sweater to the flow. Ready expansion.
الأمن رقم إلزام إسرائيل بناء حالة الحصار والتوقف عن استخدام سلاح التجويع في عقاب أبناء القطاع، وإلزامها بإزالة كافة العراقيل أمام النفاذ الفوري والمستدام والكامل.
26 August 2014, Egypt projects the new Suez Canal, a rail saving and aimed at increasing traffic capacity. The project was completed in July 2015, and the official inauguration took place on 6 August 2015, marked by international attendance and military flowers. Water supply. Main article: water supply and sanitation in Egypt. Green irrigation and land along the Nile amidst the desert and in the Nile Delta. Egypt water supply in 30 dependent to the Nile River, which profits approximately 90% of the country's total water resource with an annual share of 55 billion cubic meters, which since 1554, in addition 0.5 billion cubic meter come from non-renewable water sources. Over national demand exceeded 9 billion cubic meter annual, causing a persistent water deficit as a resource per capita water well below the 1,000 cubic meter international water scarcity. How to address this? The government has prioritized water management, particularly in response to population growth and agricultural expansion. This challenge water access has significantly improved, but when 2020 and 2010, people water covering rose from 89% to 100% in urban area and from 99% to 93% in rural area, eliminating open defecation in rural region and achieving their universal access to an improved water source by 2015. 90% of the population has access to self-managed drinking water, increasing to 96.9% by 2019. Similarly, proper sanitation coverage expanded from 50% in 2015 to 66.2% in 2019, with the percentage of treated wastewater relative to total wastewater rose from 50% to 68.7% in the same period, reaching 7.
Trust me, kuliah di Mesir itu tuh harus benar-benar sabar dari secara mental, tenaga, waktu, dan lain-lain gitu. Kebanyakan orang tuh membayar ini dengan umur gitu, meskipun emang harga dari bayar kuliah di Al-Azhar tuh memang lebih memudahkan kita semua karena murah juga. Terus mudahnya apa lagi? Mudahnya tuh emang gak ada akses
facilities allocated to irrigation 342,000 acres under the Sinai Peninsula Development Plan. In 2023, Egypt inaugurated the new Delta water treatment plant, surpassing Bab el-Bahr as the largest water facility globally.
Dan menikmati segala prosesnya, ambil itu sebagai bentuk proses ataupun dengan hal yang positive thinking supaya nggak terlalu ngeluh ya. Ya itulah. Kalian bayangin ya, aku tuh waktu itu mau daftar ataupun mau bayar rusum, karena tiap tahun tuh kan harus bayar rusum ya, kayak bayar untuk per tahunan gitu. Itu tuh harus ngantri dari sebelum subuh, bayangin.
Entry development on irrigation the Nile River, regulated by Aswi Drum, realized an annual average of 55 billion cubic meter, of which 46 billion cubic meter are divided into irrigation canal. The irrigation substantiation 33,600 square kilometer or 13,000 square miles of agriculture and in the Nile Valley and Nile Delta, producing an average of 1.8 crop per year.
Ya, sampai maghrib itu karena nungguin, ya udah dibesokin. Dia nggak peduli kayak kamu tuh udah nungguin itu dari pagi gitu. Ya kamu harus sabar. Itu pokoknya jangan pernah ke kampus Mesir kalau emang kamu belum sabar. Mendingan kalian makan maca. Pokoknya nih, kalau kalian mau daftar kuliah manapun, kalian harus lihat juga bagaimana dengan diri kalian gitu, apakah cocok atau tidak gitu. Jangan sampai kalian ke sampai Mesir, ternyata nggak sesuai ekspektasi aku ya, ternyata sulit ya, gitu, capek ya, gitu.
10 pounds.
Gak ada yang instan di sini tuh, di dunia ini tuh gak ada yang instan gitu. Pokoknya ya nikmati prosesnya, semangat terus, jangan lupa observasi tempat kampus kamu yang kamu inginkan. Oke, kapan-kapan cerita lagi, dadah.